What is astrology? According to astrologer Kevin Burke, astrology is the study of cycles. By observing the cyclical movements of the planets, we can gain a greater understanding of the cycles and patterns in our own lives. Astrology is a tool that can help us understand and unlock our highest potentials, and can teach us how to live in harmony with the universe. It is a powerful tool for healing and transformation, and it can be a key that can unlock a greater spiritual connection to the universe. I started studying astrology at a point in my life when I was completely lost. I didn't know who I really was, and I didn't understand why I did certain things and why I react the way I do. I had just gotten out of a long-term relationship, and after it ended, I struggled to find myself. On a personal level, astrology helped me gain a deeper understanding of my individual life path and life experiences. Astrology as a tool gave me an insight into my personal issues, my patterns, fears, and my dreams. I gained insight into my purpose in life, and from doing this I gained a stronger sense of self. Note: astrology is not fortune-telling and shouldn't be used as one. Astrology is a tool to help one understand him or herself. The sun, your identity. The sun represents who you are. Your identity. It is the basics of astrology, what we know as the zodiac. If someone asks you what your zodiac sign is, they are asking for your sun sign. I was born on February 19th, so my zodiac sign is Pisces, which is my sun sign. The sun is all about yourself. It is the essence that you shine out into the world. It represents your drive and how you experience life. Your sun sign is how you answer the question I am. It is associated with masculine energy or the father. The sun rules Leo. The moon, your emotions. The moon represents your heart. The way you act when no one is watching. The moon represents our deepest personal needs, our heart's desires, and how to react to situations. It also represents our unconscious. Where the sun acts, the moon feels. It is associated with feminine energy or the mother. The moon was in Sagittarius at the time of my birth, so my moon sign is Sagittarius. The moon rules Cancer. Your rising/ascendant, the mask you wear. Your rising is the sign that was rising on the eastern horizon the moment you were born. It is how you appear to the world and how you act when people are watching. It is the facade we put on for the world. Your rising sign is people's first impression of you. My rising or ascendant sign is Capricorn, meaning at the time of my birth the zodiac sign Capricorn was rising on the eastern horizon. This is different from my sun sign, Pisces. Pisces is who I am, but if you don't really know me, you will assume I'm a Capricorn. The rising sign is how you appear to other people. Planets, what are they doing and how do they affect you? Each planet governs a specific aspect of your character or identity. Mercury governs your mind. It's all about the way you think about life. Mercury rules Gemini and Virgo. Venus governs how you love and want to be loved. Venus rules Libra and Taurus. Mars governs how you handle life. It's your drive, passion, and fire. Mars rules Aries. Jupiter governs how lucky you are in life. Jupiter rules Sagittarius. Saturn governs how disciplined you are. Saturn rules Capricorn. Uranus governs what makes you unique. Uranus rules Aquarius. Neptune governs your imagination and your spirituality. Neptune rules Pisces. This means that my ruling planet is Neptune. The different planets go in retrograde sometimes. Retrograde motion is a change in the movement of the planet through the sky. The planets do not physically move backward, it just appears to do so because of the relative positions of the planet and Earth and how they move around the Sun. Other celestial bodies. Pluto governs how you transform yourself and your life. Pluto rules Scorpio. Chiron is the wounded healer, and it governs how you heal yourself and others. The North Node governs how you evolve in this lifetime. The South Node governs how you developed in your past life. Mahevan governs how you do in your career. Lilith governs your secrets and hidden emotions. The 4 elements. The zodiac signs are grouped into 4 elements, and each of these elements has its own distinct traits. The 4 elements are: fire, passionate, confident, action-oriented, temperamental; earth, grounded, stable, practical, materialistic; air, mental, analytical, intellectual, adventurous; water, intuitive, artistic, emotional, mysterious. Zodiac signs: who you are and who you are not. The planets were all moving through specific zodiac signs at the time of your birth. Planets behave differently in different zodiac signs. When a planet is in a specific sign, it has to mimic the mood of that zodiac. The zodiac signs are: Aries, fire, March 21 – April 19. Taurus, earth, April 20 – May 20th. Gemini, air, May 21 – June 20th. Cancer, water, June 21 – July 22nd. Leo, fire, July 23 to August 22nd. Virgo, earth, August 23 to September 22nd. Libra, air, September 23 to October 22nd. Scorpio, water, October 23 – November 21st. Sagittarius, fire, November 22 to December 21st. Capricorn, earth, December 22 to January 19. Aquarius, air, January 20 to February 18. Pisces, water, February 19 to March 20. Zodiac cusp signs. A cusp sign is a birthday that falls on the time when the sun leaves one sign and enters another. A person can't have 2 signs, but people born on a cusp are unique individuals whose date of birth brings the energy and traits of 2 distinct signs together, creating a separate personality with blended qualities. I was born on February 19, so as you will see below, I was born when the sun was moving from Aquarius into Pisces. I was born on the cusp of sensitivity. Most times I feel like a Pisces, but at other times I am an Aquarius. A person born on a cusp is sure to have some inner conflict due to the 2 different energies pulling the person. Possessing the strengths and weaknesses of 2 signs can be a blessing and a burden at the same time. Capricorn Aquarius cusp, cusp of mystery. January 16, January 22. Aquarius Pisces cusp, cusp of sensitivity. Dates: February 15, February 21. Pisces Aries cusp, cusp of rebirth. Dates: March 17, March 23. Aries Taurus cusp, cusp of power. Dates: April 16, April 22. Taurus Gemini cusp, cusp of energy. Dates: May 17th – May 23rd. Gemini Cancer cusp, cusp of magic. Dates: June 17th, June 23rd. Cancer Leo cusp, cusp of oscillation. Dates: July 19th, July 25th. Leo Virgo cusp, cusp of exposure. Dates: August 19th, August 25th. Virgo Libra cusp, cusp of beauty. Dates: September 19th, September 25th. Libra Scorpio cusp, cusp of drama. Dates: October 19th, October 25th. Scorpio Sagittarius cusp, cusp of revolution. Dates: November 18th, November 24th. Sagittarius Capricorn cusp, cusp of prophecy. Dates: December 18th, December 24th. Houses, the different areas of your life. There are 12 zodiac signs and therefore 12 houses. The 12 houses represent different parts of your own unique life, from your identity to your relationships to your career. Each zodiac sign rules each house. For example, Aries is the first zodiac sign, therefore it rules the first house, and Pisces is the last or 12th sign and therefore rules the 12th house. First house, ruled by Aries. The first house rules your identity, First impressions, the self, attitude, personal appearance, leadership, new initiatives, fresh starts, and beginnings. Second house, ruled by Taurus. The second house rules money, work, income, daily routines, material possessions, habits, and priorities. Third house, ruled by Gemini. The third house rules the mind and thinking, communication, siblings, social activity, neighbors, and early education. Fourth house, ruled by Cancer. The fourth house rules the home, roots, family, self-care, emotions, mother, women, children, and femininity. Fifth house, ruled by Leo. The fifth house rules love affairs, romance, creativity, fertility, spirit, joy, play, and drama. Sixth house, ruled by Virgo. The sixth house rules health, fitness, analytical nature, pets, work habits, nature, and sense of usefulness. Seventh house, ruled by Libra. The seventh house rules relationships, marriage, contracts, business partners, equality, and sharing. Eighth house, ruled by Scorpio. The eighth house rules sex, intimacy, shared finances, inheritance, taxes, loans, property, assets, and mystery. Ninth house, ruled by Sagittarius. The ninth house rules travel, wisdom, philosophy, higher education, law, religion, and learning. 10th house, ruled by Capricorn. The 10th house rules career, long-term goals, structure, status, reputation, public image, masculinity, men, fathers, experts, and fame. 11th house, ruled by Aquarius. The 11th house rules groups, friends, humanitarianism, technology, hopes, and wishes. 12th house, ruled by Pisces. The 12th house rules endings, healing, closure, hidden, subconscious, solitude, afterlife, spirituality, old age, and karma. You have free will no matter what the stars are doing. We are not victims of the stars, but co-creators of our universe. The goal of astrology is to help you understand yourself if you find yourself lost and confused about an area of your life. Or if you are simply curious with an open mind. Human beings have free will because we have consciousness. That means we can always make our own choices, no matter what the stars are doing. If you are really getting into this and you want to know more about yourself, pull a free natal birth chart here. You will need to know your exact time of birth. To get your astrology reading, please click on the link given in description below.